Hi tourists, I am Diane Garjola, your tour guide. I will be sharing you some destination in province of Batanes. Batanes, an idyllic province in the Philippines, is renowned for its scenic landscape, unique culture, and warm hospitality. Here are 10 must-visit destinations in Batanes. First is Basco Lighthouse. Located on Naidi Hill, this iconic lighthouse offers panoramic views of the town of Basco, the surrounding rolling hills, and the vast sea. Second, Marlborough Hills. Known for its breathtaking vistas of rolling hills and the ocean. This spot is often compared to the landscape of New Zealand. Third, Sabtang Island. A short boat ride from Batan Island, Sabtang Island features traditional Ivan stone houses, white sand beaches, and picturesque landscape. Port Tayid Lighthouse, situated on the southeastern part of Batan Island. Tayid Lighthouse is another excellent spot for scenic views, especially of the Pacific Ocean. 5. Balugan Boulder Beach. This unique beach is covered with smooth boulders rather than sand, creating a striking landscape that's perfect for photography. 6. Bayang Rolling Hills. These expansive rolling hills offer stunning views of the West Philippine Sea and are a great place for a leisurely hike or a picnic. 7. Chamantad Tian Viewpoint. Located on Sabtang Island also, this viewpoint offers dramatic views of Raj Cliff and the ocean, showcasing the raw beauty of Batanes. 8. Diura Fishing Village, a traditional Ibaton fishing village where you can learn about the local fishing practice and enjoy fresh seafood. 9. House of Decay, one of the oldest stone houses in Batanes. This historic home in Ibatan town provides a glimpse into traditional Ibatan architecture and way of life. 10. Honesty Coffee Shop, located in Ibana. This unique store operates on an honor system where customers can take what they need and leave payment in a box. It's a symbol of the trust and honesty that Batanes is known for.